unmanned aerial vehicle or drone make it possible to deliver vaccine, birth control, snack, bite serum and other medical supplies to rural areas, have the ability to reach victims who require immediate medical attention within a minute. In continuation with that national mission of expanding drone ecosystem in India, Indian Council of Medical Research, Union Health Ministry successfully conducted a trial run on blood bag delivery by drone under its iDrone initiative. The trial run as a part of the path-breaking validation study has been undertaken for the first time in the country by the collaborative efforts of that Indian Council of Medical Research, Lady Hardinge Medical College, New Delhi, Government Institute of Medical Sciences, Greater Noida and Jaypee Institute of Information Technology, Noida. The inaugural trial flight carried 10 units of whole blood sample from Government Institute of Medical Science, Greater Noida and Lady Hardinge Medical College in visual line of sight. Lady Hardinge Medical College and Government Institute of Medical Science, Greater Noida are included as a center for supplying blood bags and testing for the sample, while Jaypee Institute of Information Technology is acting as an implementation center for drone sorties. The protocol development, study, designing, implementation and coordination of the project are being undertaken by scientists from Indian Council of Medical Research headquarters. Expanding the drone ecosystem in India has provided a ground for innovative use of drone in various sectors such as agriculture, defense, disaster relief and healthcare. With that relaxation in the Drone Rules 2022, the inclusion of novel technologies such as drone in these sectors has been eased for researchers and drone operators. Indian Council of Medical Research has been a pioneer in using drone for healthcare purposes and successfully conducted the delivery of medical supplies, vaccine, medicine in remote areas of Manipur and Nagaland. The drone-based delivery of blood will reduce the time for the last mile delivery within a country. Highlighting the significance of the events, Dr. Rajiv Bahal, Director General ICMR, emphasizes that iDrone was the first used in COVID-19 pandemic by ICMR for distributing vaccines in unreachable areas. Today we are transporting blood and blood-related products which are supposed to be kept as a low temperature. After the experiment, we found that not only can we maintain the temperature, but there was no damage to the product transported. We set another sample through an ambulance, and if there are no difference in the sample sent using the two modes, then this drone will be used all over India. He further stated that the clarity on the challenges mapping and identify the possible solution can be achieved by developing indigenous capacities in research and in introduction to innovations and technologies in the mainstream. With digitalization, efficient manufacturing of vaccine and development a rapid delivery mechanism, India achieved 90% coverage within a year. The boost of technology is an accelerator which is gradually pushing India towards achieving the status of being a developed nation. During the course of the validation exercise, scientists identify the challenges in timely delivery of blood and blood products, especially in the remote areas and congested metropolitan cities of India, and assessed the quality and integrity of the fragile bodily fluids such as blood due to the impact of drone movement. The investigators from Lady Hardinge Medical College, Government Institute of Medical Sciences and Jaypee Institute of Information Technology will further conduct drone flights for validating the quality of the packed red blood cells, fresh frozen plasma plates in this study. The finding of this study will provide a scientific evidence from India for examining the impact of drone transportation on blood product. This study will lead to a development of standard operating procedure for wider acceptability and use of drone for delivery of blood bags and its components. Additionally, it will provide answer to the whether drone shall be used as a method of transportation for temperature sensitive blood products in remote location of the country. Thank you.